Everyone. Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh Singh and here I am working on the project Basic Banking System using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This project is given by the Sparks Foundation, thanks to them. And the first things about the project is I am using the HTML code. Uh, my first HTML page is known as index page, which is the basic page or page frame of the web page. So here I am using the index.html as my front page index or as my front page skeleton. So here we are using the HTML. In this I use tags and footer, header and all define all the things, and I also upload this video on YouTube. And tag contains the page contains lots of tags and also contains CSS. So firstly we go to run and then so what are the process and how we can move to the next steps. So here we go. Yeah, this is the first page and the home page of the website. Here the name of the my website is Our Bank, which also contain the homepage button, which brings me on the same page whenever I am away from that page. Here we saw that there is no any logging page. We without using logging page, we will going to conduct and transferring the money from one to another. It contain database. I use that database and JavaScript in which there is existing users. It more than 10 and I think it's 12. So the first step is send the money. Okay, when we go to there is some existing users like Shubham, Shumit, Nitesh, Ayush and all, we can say that. It the basic of that user is if you wanted to transfer money from my bank account to the specific user, then we have to use a specific code, and here is the specific code is name as the rate the name of the bank. And for example, let's take a name like Nitesh, then Nitesh as the rate our bank. It also contains the bank balance of that particular person. Here the bank balance of Nitesh is 3400. Whenever we go to the send money option, we will saw that. Yeah. In this pop-up window, it asks me for the name of the user. So just like do a transaction, uh, like I want to transfer some money to the amount of money rupees 100 to Ayush. Then let's saw what I can AYU SH and we want to transfer 100. Whenever we click on the send money option, yeah, the transaction is successful. Here we have the notification, and if we want to solve how many transaction will be happen today or in this page, so we can see from the see all transactions. So whenever we click on this, it show me the 100 rupees sent to the particular person having a particular username or particular a specific code. Here the code is IOS as the rate our bank, and it also show that the transaction times and date of the transaction. So we have the option to close it, and whenever we click on our bank or home or customer, it brings me the whenever we click on our bank, it brings me the first page. Yeah. Whenever we click on the customers, it brings me the transaction page. So this is the basic structure, and in this we use some CSS and JavaScripts. So let's saw that. Yeah. uh, in this page, for the front screen I use style.css in which I mention all the details of the CSS usage on the front page. And there is another HTML page known as customer HTML, which contains all the details of the particular customers or group of customers for the website. Here we saw that there is some CSS and JavaScript will be mentioned, and we use tags, and we also contain, yeah, that's all the data, that's all the front data of that particular person. Let's say if the name of the person is Pooja, let's say an example, then it's contain some specific data, like it will comes under the row of 6, the name of that person, the particular tag, or you can see it's the particular things for that specific name, like Pooja. Then the specific thing is Pooja is there at our bank, and it also contain the bank balance of that particular person. So we can saw all the things, and we use here the JavaScript. The JavaScript is here now. Yeah, you can saw this. I use a specific tags and all, and for the customer page, for this page I use some of the CSS in which is stored in customer.css, and I also mention the CSS file here. Yeah, here is the CSS file. So the next step is I upload all the files and folders on the my uh, GitHub repository. You can saw this. Yeah, here is my name, and it contains, yeah, the TFS banking system. It contains all the files. Whenever we go there, it bring me to here. Here you can saw that. Yeah. Some of the images which which will use in which use in the web page will be mentioned here, and the HTML page, the front page, and the customer HTML, uh, and the CSS. Yeah, here we got all the CSS. Okay, and the JavaScript. You can saw all the things inside that page, and this project does not contain any logging page. We can do all the transaction with the help of the existing users and their specific users name. Thank you.